Baba uCredo bathwasiselwa la Khehla. Uyakwazi nawe lokho. Baba uCredo was initiated here a long time ago. Yabona indawo ye initiation le. So mele ku protectwe the cultural heritage as well as the natural heritage. And the thina kade siphila ne nature. Singabantu be nature vele thina natural. Uyayithola lento Khehla. Manje if I-government yethu ngeke isizwe ukuthi thina sifuna ukukhululeka kulento yabelungu. Umhlaba wethu manje asakhona ukungena kuwo. We have no access.
No, well, I don't know. According to the department, you can access the place, but there are processes that you need to follow.
But thina we don't meet. We don't meet because they are saying ukuthi mele size la si-35. Isizwe sonke simnyama. This is a black Mecca. Khehla. This is a black Mecca. Not just a natural reserve.
People
it's
flew in from the States, from Jamaica,
must be united
from
by
Haiti to this place. I-Africa
manje
yonke.
nina ni implementa umthetho wabelungu esintwini kanjani? Umhlaba wethu. Umhlaba kona umhlaba wabelungu.
So I don't know. Napela, the reason why I'm here is to come and talk to you.
Sure. Please, Khehla ngicela thina nisizwe and ngikhuluma iqiniso. Mengikhuluma no Dr. Ramachibela. Ngabatshela ukuthi thina we don't meet ama conditions e license because thina I-role yalendawo for thina is much higher than umthetho wenyama. Yingakho thina siba namahloni ukuthi asikwazi ukudelela umthetho wemvela, umthetho womoya. Thina okhokho bethu are expecting here ukuthi sibe la ngalo lelanga because it's the day of the spring equinox. Sasa i-new year yethu. So anikwazi ukusideprive lokho. It means thina siyimele asinabavikeli.
Siyakhabatheka.
Kanjani Khehla?
Kumele sisi-protect it.
Umthetho womlungu lo owenze le ndawo yaba i-nature reserve.
And we cannot take this anymore.
Ubaba Credo was initiated here, right here.
Wena niyazi.
Now, black people
Please,
are supposed to
Makhehla
celebrate
nike nibe
New Year in
nozwelo.
January.
Umuntu omnyama
Umuntu omnyama uyahlukumezeka, mele sibe free kuphi?
Ngenxa yomuntu
E-Israel nase le indawo yama eMecca. Abantu base Saudi ababuzwa ama license endaweni yabo.
Amen.
Uya Israel. Mawufike Israel. Abantu are free to express their culture and spirituality. But why thina sicindezelwa? Umoya lo weAfrica kumele uhlanganise wonke umuntu omnyama. Ula. This is the most potent energy point le. Anisizweleni Makhehla. Yinyuye yethu kusasa. Anikwazi ukusincintsha lokho.
abawulethu umhlaba wethu.
Thina sihambi ngale calendar yabelungu. Sihamba ngecalendar ye-nature. Ngesizulu sithi umandulo lenyanga. It means it's a new cycle. So silapho ngokomqondo ngokamoya ngayo yonke into Khehla. You can't deprive a black child to connect nombhelenqangi noNomkhulwane. Ngomthetho nje womlungu.
Hayi mlungu hayi.
Please
Umlungu
Makhehla.
uyasihlukumeza nani niyazi bantu abadala.
Ukuhlukunyezwa lo.
Sikhathela belungu like
Ukuhlukunyezwa nani anike nisdefendeni.
Defendeni man. Ike iphele lento. Ike iphele man. Uyathayasha.
Umphahlo lesiwenzayo umphahlo wesizwe ukuthi
Esiphathela
isizwe
wonke umuntu
simnyama
isizwe.
must be
Ayi thina
totally
self.
free. Impi yethu umoya and siyoyinqoba ngomoya. Asinayibhamu thina.
We don't have guns.
Uyathola le
We don't
nto.
have guns.
Sizweleni.
Khehla.
Please.
Abanye abantu mabazana bayathuka
Oh.
bayathuka you know.
Yazi ukuza abantu from all over the world.
Siyacela
Bala.
siyacela Khehla la.
Manje kwembaraseka i-government emnyama icindizela umoya wabantu abamnyama endaweni yabantu abamnyama Khehla.
Serious mkhulu. Unjalo. Sicela lizweleni.